What's going on, my fellow paranormal investigators? We are here at the famous Scranton Iron Furnaces. Now, this was built in 1848 to 1849, and this is where they made the iron. A lot of people worked here. It's amazing inside. I'm gonna take you inside right now. This is where they made the iron. They split it up, they cut it up, whatever they had to do back in the 1800s. So I'm gonna take you inside right now. Look how beautiful this is, guys. In 1802, this was actually abandoned, and they moved to Lackawanna, and they moved to New York because there was a greater capacity for iron. And there's my babies right there. Say hi. Hello. Hi. I got my babies with me, but unfortunately, I guess we can't get in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so upset. I want to get in there. This is where they made the iron. Wow. Look at that. Now, I wanted to do a spare box, but I'm gonna try to figure it out. Oh yeah, look at that.
It's like a piece of decoration.
Oh yeah.
This is the iron
Did
that
you know?
they made. This is a remnants of what they used to make back in the day. That is amazing. It's all over. Oh wow.
There's some papers over there. I don't know if they're back then.
That's pretty cool. Oh, ain't that awesome? That's part of our history right there. That's part of American history. I don't know what that is, to be honest.
It looks like a fan.
No, this is newer.
Newer? So, there's like mail. Babe, you're not gonna believe this. Axle. We found a piece of mail that says Axle on it.
Yeah.
And that's my baby boy right there.
Oh wait, this probably. I don't know if you guys can do it.
So I love these old abandoned places. I mean, it honestly kind of looks like a jail, to be honest with you. And this is where the people used to work like 24/7 to make iron for the company. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Aww. My little boy is helping out here. Our little helper.
Did you go all the way down? Did you go all the way down yet?
No, not yet. I want to though.
Every tower has the slag left over from the iron. See?
Oh, isn't that cool? Oh my goodness. I want to get in there so bad.
Oh, there's some rope over here. I don't know.
When you melt down metal, everything floats to the top, and that's the slag. That's not iron.
Oh,
I mean, it does hold some iron, but not a lot.
Yeah.
They try to separate it. They take the hair strength out.
And we can also, there's a little sitting area up top too. Yeah, we can go up top and look down on it.
Alright, yeah, let's do that.
And then what is this over here? This might be
See, I'm wondering what that.
what they use. This is what they made right here. This is a resemblance of what they used to make. Pure iron. Oh, gorgeous.
Oh my.
Absolutely amazing.
I found a lot of rope, like from over here. Some rope. Maybe they used it.
Yeah. Wow. Look how big this place is. I mean, it's huge.
Over
It used to be
there.
an iron factory. I mean, it's... God.
Yeah, there's something over there.
Did you read the signs at the top?
No, not yet. I don't know what this was used for. I have no idea. I'm guessing this opened.
Yeah, they probably used it for iron.
Yeah, this is a huge place, and this is located in Scranton, Pennsylvania, and this is where they made the iron. It is so cool. I love history. I love old abandoned places. Oh, it's okay. Oh, my little girl. So I'm gonna take you guys up here. Let's see what's up here. Oh, I got my cowboy boots on. They're not very...
I just found something.
Wow. Look at that. This place is amazing.
Oh wait, there's someone go up.
Has anybody died here? Ted? Ted, are you the one that died here in 2015 when you fell?
It says 35. 3,500.
How many people died here? Did you like working here in the iron factory?
Yeah, we just want to find this answer, so.
We're trying to get some answers so we can help you. Repeat that.
Okay.
Can you set off the REM pod for us? All you gotta do is go up to the antenna and touch it. So what happened to that guy in 2015? Hunter? I did. It said I did.
Especially a man died from a fall from the top of the furnaces in April 2015.
2015, he fell from the furnaces. He fell from the top of the furnace?
Yeah, top.
Are you the one? Are you the one that fell from the top of the furnace?
What up?
I heard
So you were just visiting and you accidentally fell? Or was it intentional? It might what? Was it an accident or was it intentional? I don't know, guys. I'm getting Ted, me. A guy fell from the top. When we go up to the top, I could show y'all where he possibly fell. And I don't know if it was accidental or intentional. So that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. See if I can talk to him. And I come in peace and love, and also respect. I respect you. We're here to get answers. Can you tell me how you fell? Was it intentional? Did you unlive yourself?
I heard yes.
I thought I heard yes too. So why'd you do such a thing? What happened? What made you commit that?
It was either her or it was a girl's voice.
Okay, guys. We're gonna move to a different part and see if we can get anything else. Let me know in the comments down below if you hear anything that I don't. Leave a comment if you see something that I don't. I mean, this place is absolutely massive, and I'm sure a lot of people have passed away back in the day because they didn't have safety like we do now, you know. So yeah, I'm sure a lot of guys have gotten burnt, crushed.
Yeah, 110.
Can you repeat that?
Once I said 110, I'm like, yes.
So wait, what was the story for 110 people?
Or you can read it because I can't really read some of the words. I'll try my best. Additionally, in the 19th century, poor working conditions in Scranton's mines, including the earthrack mines, led to numerous deaths and injuries, with the 1869 Avondale mine disaster killing 110 miners.
Miners.
Like miners, not
Oh, mines. Okay. So 110 people died around this area.
Oh, modern incident. A man's death occurred at the Scranton Iron Furnaces, April 2015. Reported as a fall from the top of the furnaces. Okay.
Okay. So there you go. Okay, well, we're gonna move to a different spot. Do you want me to move? Yeah? Okay, we're gonna go to a different spot. The need for railroads to haul ore to the mines and the anthracite coal to market creative the ironworks principal product. In 1847, the Lackawanna Iron and Coal Company began manufacturing iron T-rail for the Erie Railroad. That is so cool, guys. What was now called Lackawanna Iron and Steel employed 3,000 workers. That's what it used to look like. And now it's just, oh, look at this. Wow. See, all of this wasn't here back then. This is what it used to look like. And these are the gentlemen. William Henry. In 1838 to build an iron furnace. George and Sheldon Scranton brothers and owners of the Oxford Furnace in New Jersey came to Lackawanna Valley in 1840. Sheldon was the son-in-law of William Henry. So those are brothers. And then Joseph Plant, one of the original owners of Lackawanna Iron and Coal, operated the first company store. So Joseph H. Scranton, a cotton broker from Georgia and cousin of George Shelton, which is right here. This is George Shelton. No, wait, I'm sorry. This is George Shelton. And provided financial backing for the company. He came to the iron furnace in 1848 and eventually became superintendent. So there you go, guys. Those are the men that actually built this property. And I'm wondering if that's one of the buildings too. It's all blocked off, obviously. I wonder if I can get over there. Probably not. But yeah. And up here you can picnic. Making steel. That's them making steel. Sorry it's so bright out here, guys. But yeah, look at that. That's the steel company right there. And it was huge. And then you just seen just the iron building. I mean, that's all that's left now. That's all that's left. It's crazy. It is absolutely crazy. This property has been placed as National Registry of Historic Places by the United States Department of the Interior. 1848. So if you guys are into, you know, the abandoned places and haunted places, this place is definitely for you. I mean, this place is absolutely amazing. It's gorgeous. And right here, you can actually picnic right here where the furnace is. So come down here and look at that. come on. Yeah, you fell from these. Yeah, you're a goner. You are definitely a goner.
Wait, here, he probably fell from that one.
I don't know which one he fell from,
That's just 3 more.
but
No.
this one looks like it's blocked off. I think. No, maybe not. Maybe not. We can get down there.
Well, all 3 of these you can, or no, all 4.
Here's the city of Scranton. The Scranton Estate. Joseph H. Scranton. This was his house right here. Here's the train station back in the day. And December 31st, 1983, it became a hotel. So this place I really want to investigate because I heard it's very, very, very haunted. If it is a hotel to this day, I want to go.
I want to go too.
This place, the mines closed in 1940.
Where did Dakota find this?
I have no idea.
I'm going to show Dad. Dakota, come on. Go show Dad.
Yeah, this might be a long video just because I want to show you guys everything, the furnaces, and this could have been where the guy, this had to have been intentional because look at this fence. It's huge. Okay, you literally have to climb this. You just don't fall over into the furnace. So this, I'm pretty sure that was intentional, but he was found right down there. That is crazy. Yeah, it had to have been intentional. He died in 2015. He fell into one of these furnaces right here. I mean, that's so sad. I mean, yeah, you fall into one of these, you are definitely a goner. But there's no surviving that. No surviving that. But you guys get it. I showed you the furnaces. I showed you some of the history. I told you some of the history about Scranton iron furnaces. You can come. This is open from dawn to dusk. I want to go into the museum, but I'm pretty sure it's closed right now. Oh, you know what? Here you go. Right over there used to be the train station, and they turned it into a hotel. I want to go over there. I'm going to see how much it is to actually spend the night there. That would be awesome. That would be my next adventure, is spending a night in a haunted hotel. I heard there's a woman that she was getting married and she found out that her husband was having an affair and she ended up offing herself in the hotel. So there's many stories, and I'm gonna look it up tonight. I'm gonna see how much it is to actually get into the hotel, make sure I can go ahead and film in the hotel. I'm pretty sure I could. I don't see the reason why, but all right guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe, like, and share, and yeah, let's get this YouTube up and going, guys. It would really help me out a lot. Yeah, so there's many things to come, so please stay tuned, and you know, as always, stay spooky. Bye.